demonstrate reliability, responsibility, and a commitment to excellence. Let us embrace the power of punctuality and make a positive impact on those around us. One timely arrival at a time. Punctuality is one of the most important characteristics of a successful person. A person with this quality can easily complete all his or her tasks on right time or before the time. It makes me really surprised when I think that what will happen if each and every citizen, a student, officer, teacher, leader, politician, doctor, etc. of the country will be punctual. I think it will surely make all the systems on track and lead the country towards glory and success. Punctuality is not about being on time. It is basically about respecting your own commitments. So come, let us find out what we the student of class 10 have in store for you today.
Once there lived an ant and a grasshopper in a forest. They lived close by and often met each other. Soon they became friends. The grasshopper always loved to play. In fact, she did not like to do anything except play. Her friends were tired of asking her to do her work, but the grasshopper never listened to them. When the others would be working, the grasshopper would disturb them. Everybody was upset with the grasshopper. On the other hand, the ant was very sincere. She valued time and finished all her work. She played with her friends only when she and her friends finished their task. One day it was announced in the forest that very soon it will start snowing and everybody should store food. They will not be able to go out for 5 months in search of food. Everybody in the forest started working except the grasshopper. He got ready for work, but he finally did not go for work. In fact, he went to the neighboring field to find some friends. I hope there's someone I can play with, he said to himself. Far away, he noticed a rabbit. Good morning, rabbit. Will you play with me? Asked the grasshopper. Not now, I am busy fetching food, replied the rabbit. But you can do that later. Let's play now, the grasshopper said to the rabbit. I can't do that. The winter months are coming and I have to store food before that. If I don't do that, I will starve, said the rabbit. The grasshopper thought that the rabbit was no fun at all. He came back to the forest and played on his own. There are only few days left for winter to set in. Why don't you start working? The ant told him. I have a lot of time, the grasshopper shouted back. Slowly, winter set in. The ant had stored all the food for winter and was very happy. The grasshopper did not store any food at all. He started to feel very hungry. As days went by, the grasshopper started starving and she was almost dying. The ant came to her and said, "You should have worked when there was time. You should have made a timetable and played after finishing your work." The grasshopper felt very ashamed of herself and promised to spend time properly and not to waste it.
Now I welcome class 10 boys to perform a dance on punctuality theme.
కాలం నీతో నడవదు నిన్నడిగి ముందుకు సాగదు సంకల్పం ఒకటే చాలదు కానీ సమయం ఎదరా ఆయుధము విజయం నేరుగ చేరదు శ్రమ పడితే చక్కగా మారదు నీ లక్ష్యం చేరే మార్గంలో పరిచయను విలువని తెలుసుకోను ఉన్నోడివా లేనోడివా ఏ కులం నీకని అడగదు మంచోడివా చెడ్డోడివా ఏ మతము నీది అని అడగదు ప్రేమ కాని చూపదు లక్ష్యంగానే ఉండవు ప్రేమ కాని చూపదు లక్ష్యంగానే ఉండవు దానికి విలువని ఇస్తే గెలుస్తావు అది ఖచ్చిత అక్కడే ఆనందము కాలం నీతో నడవదు నిన్నడిగి ముందుకు సాగదు సంకల్పం ఒకటే చాలదు కానీ సమయం ఎదురా ఆయుధము మనకున్న టైము సరిపోదు తమ్మి సరదల్లి మేలుకోరు సమయాన్ని చులకన చూసినవంటే ఓటమిక నిలిచినట్టే మనకున్న టైము సరిపోదు తమ్మి సరదల్లి మేలుకోరు సమయాన్ని చులకన చూసినవంటే ఓటమిక నిలిచినట్టే
Being late is like missing the first chapter of book. You might miss the best part. Oh, you all enjoyed our skit and let us together take a stand, make our lives better. So remember, the clock is ticking, but the lesson is clear. Punctuality is key. Let's all make a timely impression. Every time, every day. Thank you.